students, how are you all? Welcome to the class students. In our previous video we had discussed about the scientists and their works in the science. So here Prafulla Chandra Roy, he was the founder of West Bengal Chemical and Pharmaceuticals. Next one is role of chemistry in our daily life. Students, you know that it is very important that all the basic needs of human that is fulfilled from the chemistry, and water, air, these all are contain the chemical compounds, and our basic needs like clothes, food, these all are related to the chemistry. Food and chemistry, here you know carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins which you eat, these carbohydrates are mainly composed of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, and these are the chemical, and these elements are related to the chemistry. And fats are also energy rich sources, oils, butters, etc., and they are the example of food items which contains the fat. Proteins are bodybuilding food, and they also made of amino acids. Students, you know that complex organic compounds, that are the minerals, elements are compounds, you know vitamins and minerals protect our body from diseases. The food, when it is not stored properly, it become the home of harmful microorganisms. That means microorganisms will grow there, and chemistry, it plays an important role in preventing food from spoiling. And food preservation technique that are used to preserve the food through various methods like canning, pickling, drying off and freezing, pasteurization. These all the techniques are used to preserve the food materials. So here food preservation. So food preservation, that is the process of treatment and handling food to stop or slow down its spoilage. So that means to save the food from spoilage. And preservation are smoking. This method is used to preservation and flavoring of meat. Now drying, salting and fermenting, these all are the different methods which are still in use today, but now modern techniques is developed, so such as canning, pasteurization, freezing and adding chemical preservatives are used to preserve the food. Now students, you know here different modes are given here, different ways by which you can preserve the food, that is freezing, pickling, fermentation, canning, all the processes are given here, you are seeing here. Now next one is the majority of food it preservation technique used to, here these preservation techniques it used today employ some kind of chemical preservatives such as sodium benzoate. It is very important, it is a food preservating compound, and benzoic acid to reduce spoilage in fruits and vegetables, and salts and vinegars that are also used in the food. Now next thing is chemistry in agriculture. You know that in agriculture chemistry is very important. It helps to produce the different fertilizers. The fertilizers also used in agriculture, and they make the soil fertile by adding essential elements to soil: urea, calcium nitrate, potassium chloride, triammonium phosphate. These are the some examples of the fertilizers. So chemicals which are used, and pesticides and insecticides, these all are used in plants and in our agriculture, these all are having important roles. Now chemistry in cosmetics. Students, you know since ancient time man has explored way of beautifying the body, including face painting and wearing jewelries. Nowadays cosmetic are used, and cosmetics refers to substances that are used to beautify the body, and face powder, lipsticks, perfumes, shampoo, these are the examples of cosmetics, and various ingredients are used to make these cosmetics. They are related to chemistry, and thickeners are commonly used for making skin care products. Now, like face cream and lotions, you know that to prevent water loss from skin, here to prevent water loss from the skin, we use moisturizers, and we wax, olive oil, glycerol and petroleum jelly are commonly used as moisturizers. Now, sunscreen are creams that protect us from harmful sun rays. So, sun rays, it is harmful, and sunscreen and creams, they protect us from harmful sun rays. And sunscreen are mostly composed of titanium dioxide. It has a strong absorbing capacity so that it blocks the ultraviolet light and prevent our skin from these harmful rays of sun. Now, next is foaming cosmetics such as toothpaste, shower gel and shampoos have sodium lauryl sulfate, and different powders, talcum powders is made up of magnesium carbonate and zinc oxide. Now, it is sufficient for today. Thank you. Thank you.